Good morning. I want to start with a story of mine with the data. In 2017, I invested around $15,000 of my own savings to co-found a clothing brand in India. I thought I had the operation figured out, but within 6 months, I hit a wall. I faced the stocks out of high demand items over stock of item nobody wanted. I realized I was running my business on gut feeling while the market was running on data related to fast fashion, changing consumer preferences, and I was reactive and guessing what the consumer wanted, while the best players were predictive and knowing what they wanted. That failure taught me a lesson that has defined my career since. Intuition is dangerous without the data to back it up. Since then, I have scaled my impact from a startup to big companies. Today, as the regional demand supply manager for Norian, I manage complex integrated planning process. I have always pushed for the modernization. At Procter & Gamble, I won a gold award for improving productivity by driving automation. I have used Power BI to visualize gaps, reduce supply chain lead times, and reduce cost. But as I look in the future in my industry, I see a new gap. We have tons of data, but we often lack the sophisticated ability to interrogate it. And I'm tired of using the data to report on the past, and I want to build a framework to transform the future. That is why I chose IONST. I need an ecosystem that sits at the middle of deep tech and business strategy. I'm specifically excited by the IE's recent role in the RISE Europe Alliance as someone looking to drive transformation within the European market. Being part of a school that is actively shaping the continent tech capability is critical for me. I also look forward to the sustainability datathon. The challenge of using predictive modeling to solve real-world efficiency problems mirror exactly the kind of work I want to do for future clients. To the cohort, I bring the operational reality check, having managed supply chain across India, Poland, and Sweden. I understand the friction between data and execution. I will bring the real-world case studies from Procter & Gamble and Norian to our discussion, helping my peers understand not just how to build a model, but how to actually implement it in a complex and multicultural organization. My career goal is to transition into supply chain transformation role, where I want not just to tell my company where the supply chain is broken, but use the AI to simulate and how to fix it. And the part-time format allows me to treat my current role at Norian as a living lab, applying your curriculum on Monday to the problems I study on Saturday. I'm ready to turn my operational experience to strategic transformation. Thank you.